course, you know, as a politician, I didn't sleep on time. I came back around 5 a.m. this morning, so that took me. So I'm really very sorry for keeping you. I know that, first of all, let me congratulate the chairman for the appointment of the chairman of the Governing Council and your colleagues to help and see what you can do to improve the development of the institution. I'm very proud to be an alumnus of the institution. I got the best training by the best as at that time. And so I'm a very proud alumnus. So people think, you know, that yes, I'm a lawyer, but first of all, this is the university that produced me as a political scientist before I went to another university to read the law. So I'm very proud alumnus of that great institution. And I've never hidden my intention to support the university. I have supported the university when I was Minister of State Education, like you said, because for me, a conventional university like that for so many years, why would they not have a faculty of law? It was surprising to me that such a great university does not have. And I thank God Almighty that when I was minister, I utilized the opportunity to bring faculty of law, not only bringing the faculty of law, to build in the faculty of law. We shared with the faculty of humanities, social science. We didn't have our own faculty, we didn't have our own building. It was my time as a minister, I built the faculty of social sciences. I built it. And I brought a lot of support from Thetford to the university as a minister then. When I became a governor, Captain Elechamani building was not completed. I was one. Maybe people may have forgotten that I was wrong coming Captain Elechamani said, where you have humanities now. Yes, where you have humanities. At time, the former Vice Chancellor, Professor Lally, who came and pleaded with me, and of course it was very embarrassing for a university for how many years you don't have any convocation arena. Very embarrassing. I know that was where we did our convocation, manipulation. So I told the former Vice Chancellor to do a design of what they want. And they did that design, and I built it. For me, I mean, a university had produced you. I have an opportunity to pay back. Everybody should know that government cannot alone, federal government cannot alone. So those of us who are who were students that God has helped to put us somewhere should also say, look, this university that produced me, this is my own contribution for the growth of that university. It's very key, very, very key for us to do that. All you have asked here, I can't take FCT money and give you. You know it's not possible. I will not do that one. But I can give you good land here to build your center. For me, my wife and my friends, I will provide the multimedia center you have asked. That she can be assured that today I'll tell my wife and then you can come and pick up the money for that. I don't know about the endowment of any chair by wiki, banking or this and that. That's their business. I don't understand that one. So 50 years is not an easy thing. It's a jubilee year. So you are lucky to be the chairman. And you are lucky to be the one that became the jubilee chairman. FCT will be 50 years next year. So I'm lucky also to be the jubilee FCT minister. When I was governor, I was lucky to be the jubilee governor of the state. So it's not by my making. I thank Mr. President for the opportunity given to us. But I will say something that I don't like. The VC is there. He was playing politics. Yes, it is. I know what happened. Ordinarily, I would not have supported because of the politics, the position he took. You are a university. You are supposed to be the center of excellence, not the center of ethnic memorial politics. No, I wasn't happy. But you see, nobody can bring, if God said this is what will be, nobody can stop it. My growth politically is by God. Men have done everything to bring me down. It has never worked, and it will not work. You see, there are people who have special grace. You have to be careful. This thing, when people see the reality, the truth, they don't look, this is the truth. And I know I was told that you're a Christian. You know, these days I fear when I hear people like Christians. I fear. Because the whole thing has turned to a different thing. It's no longer the Christianity that we will have to. That's why these days when they say this pastor is coming, I run away. Because I can't stand when I see what so many pastors are doing. I can't stand it. You can't see somebody standing firm to say the truth. If pastors can't say the truth, stand firm, who will do that? And then you expect me to sit there, you are preaching. Who are you preaching to? Meanwhile, you can't stand on anything. So, Prof, I have this. You know, ordinarily I wouldn't have, if I would have stopped building that when you came. It's not for you. It's for my alma mater. I must go ahead, but don't be playing politics like that. It's not good. I thank God that He has kept you alive. You are doing well. He will continue. But leave this ethnic politics. It will not help us. You're a professor. You're a professor. And a Mercy. You're a brilliant. You're a twin brother, the Joseph Brother. He's also doing well in his own career. So, please, don't be playing ethnic politics, I beg. You're a professor. You should be a man of excellence. But if I follow what the University of Port Harcourt did to us, it would have been difficult to help. But the Chairman of Government Council is my friend who I meet every day, because he also will say, while I was chairman there, what did he do? What did he attract to the university? So I'm here by the grace of God, by the grace of the president. I will also support him to achieve. That's how, you see, that is why, you see, people should use their position to attract something to wherever they are. If it was not my friend, would you not have access to come and tell me, you come and visit me? Visit me for what? I would not have accepted. But I owe a duty to support him, to grow, to make the university grow. And that's why he was able to attract. When he came to me one time, when they gave you land, very embarrassing. Very embarrassing. Where he would say some people that are doing. You see, people, God gave me position to help people. I heard they gave you land somewhere. How can I be here? You go and what's there? You will get land here. Yes. Whether anybody's happy or not is their business. What is your own turn do? This is my own turn. Because people will ask me, you were the FCT minister, your alma mater. What did you do? no excuse. I have no excuse. Whether it is 1 month or still, whether it is 1 year still, I will use it for the good of the people of FCT and my own place. Because when people say, oh, you know, this and that, when you leave office, people will ask you a question. That's why when people say, I'm doing something for education, I laugh. I say, listen, I'm a lawyer. I'm a life bencher. And then when I leave office, they will ask me, I think you're a lawyer. I think you're a lawyer. You're a lawyer. What was the contribution to the judiciary? Why are you not coming to criticize? When you had the opportunity to do your own contribution, if you don't do, why are you talking? Because posterity will be against you, that you're in a position to improve the standard. And you could not do it. And you're now coming to say this and that. You can't. But people will portray it in a different way. No, no. There's nothing I will not do to improve what we have today as judicial authority, because I am a life bencher. So anybody can go to hell and say whatever he wants to say. If you're a doctor, you don't have the medical, it's your business. If you're an engineer, you don't have the, it's your business. Don't make noise. Me, as a lawyer, I will do everything to improve it. As for Luminous University, I will do it. When I was chairman of Obiago, I built for River State University. In fact, I wanted the faculty of law to have it. The school refused. That why should I say it should be faculty of law? No, that they would take it. So that's how they gave to School of Graduate Studies. And when I became a governor, I turned the university. Oh, yeah. I'm happy because I'm also an alumnus of that university. So how could I be governor? This university you attended, and you cannot improve on it. So who will improve on it? So I had no regret. I have no regret. And I thank God I had a chairman of governing council who was very good, who knows what was related when there were no crisis of the, you know, sometimes you have this problem with the governing council and the management of the school. And just showed capacity. And look at the level he brought the university because of the relationship with the management of the VC. And I expect that the same thing that should happen here. You have to work with the management. So many people, when you appoint them, they think it's an opportunity to go and carry money, bring the university down. No, no. It is for you to help. Because Mr. President appointed you and your colleagues to make your own contribution to the growth of the university. It's not to go there, visit, bring me 5 billion naira. Visit. No, it's not. Your happiness today is as chairman and members of the council. What did you contribute? What was the level of growth of the university? So when you leave tomorrow, you say, when I was there, I did this, I did this. Like I'm saying here, I built this, I built this, I built this. Let anybody contradict me. That is not what I'm saying is not correct. Let anybody contradict me. We had people who went to that university. They were governors, they were big positions. What was the contribution? I can beat my chest today. Say, I was the Minister of Education. I brought this. I was the governor. I brought this. I'm Minister of FCT. I'm bringing this. I can be proud to say it anywhere. Now, when you live now as chairman of council, you can also be proud to say, when I was chairman of the governing council, I brought this, I brought that. Now you have asked for what you get. You are getting it. If you ask for center of representation, you will get it. That's what they call development. I hope you have gone to Abia State. And I saw he went to that school. He had a first class in economics. He should contribute. Don't tell me, I'm saying that this is a television. He's an alumnus of the university. He should bring something to the table. Because it was the school that gave him, and he had first class. And now he's the governor. Tell them to come and put something in the university. So I'm saying it, carry it, that I said, and I thought to use the alumnus, you come and put something down there. So I let you say that this was the university I attended, and this is what I did. Not just promise, you know, politicians can make promise, they will not fulfill the promise. Me, I don't make promise that I will not fulfill. I've told you today, I'll give you the money for the multi-billion. Not FCT money. This is from my family and my friends. That's what the contribution we are going to make. I can't take FCT money to go and put somewhere and put that, but some of these people here, they will kill me. You know. But for land, we are entitled. Because, I mean, I'm not just entitled, a good place. A good place that you will pride that your student is in charge here. The press may not be happy, it's their business. So I'm happy that I attended the University of very good school, good professors there. I don't know where it is now. But that time, Professor Weekend and Simon, Professor Claude Ake, you know, we are happy that these people brought us up. Those are people who determine what Nigeria. I don't know what is happening now, but I thank God. Prof, Nat, is my friend. So from Ando, I thank God you're a prof now. You know, so people should help the university continue to do well to grow. 50 years is not an easy thing. It's like when you say he might be 50 years, he said, you know that he has come of age or she has come of age. So 50 years. So congratulations for your Jubilee celebration. It's not an easy thing. And Prof, the VC, you are lucky. You are a Jubilee Vice Chancellor. It's not easy, even though I did not support you. I was supporting some other person because of their politics. I did not support you. And you can't kill me now. So there's no law that says I must support you. But now you are benefiting from my decision. That's the way it's supposed to be. So you're welcome. Thank you. God bless.